How to analyze ASO. 70% of users find and install apps through App Store search. If you want your app to be noticed, you should rank higher. To do this, your app needs ASO. Analyzing app optimization quality is easy. For this task, we have developed ASO index with a scale from 1 to 10 that ranges your ASO. ASO can be analyzed in detail using ASO index overview. Here are the major factors that may affect ASO quality. Among them are the number of text characters, number of screenshots, average app rating, keywords popularity, app visibility based on the app ranking by major keywords, a video if any, and the frequency of updates. For example, this app has an above-average ASO index on Google Play, but it can be improved. Thanks to ASO index overview, we can see exactly how. Study the 8 factors that influence ASO index and follow our advice on how to improve them. For example, the text in title and short description of this app isn't that good, gets indexed on Google Play and impacts app ranking the greatest. Make the most of the characters you have available. On Google Play, you can use 50 characters in the title and 80 in a short description. Improving the ranking is worth it as it too influences app visibility. Now it's quite low. You can see that the frequency of keywords used in the indexed metadata matters too. You can improve it by using more popular keywords in app title, short description, and full description. With competitor analysis, you can analyze how your competitors improve their ASO. You can study their ASO indexes in detail and in dynamics, what text elements are the most efficient, or if those metrics got better or worse over time. If ASO index helps you get an idea of ASO and your growth areas, then such visibility index makes it possible to assess your performance for every iteration. This is your app visibility score for search traffic. It focuses specifically on app visibility by queries and is estimated in percents. Its formula isn't tied to any specific numbers because it's not possible to set the perfect app visibility value. The index depends on the current search visibility in apps of a certain category. This app has a slightly above average visibility. It can be improved, for example, by expanding the semantic core and optimizing the ranking by keywords. We'll tell you how to build a semantic core in the next video.